Welcome to MES e-learning channel. In today's session, we will be dealing with drama in pedagogy or the use of drama in pedagogy. Now, when we think of drama, we know it's a performing art where there are actors on the stage. It has a script, it has an audience and things like that. But if we look at drama, how we are going to use it in class? At that time, we cannot have a stage or even audience. But let's see how we can incorporate drama in the pedagogy or into our classrooms. Before we go to that, let us look at how drama can give an all-round experience. Now, if we see this figure, in this figure, we know the first quadrant shows that drama as entertainment. That's how usually everybody looks at it. Like watching a movie or looking at a video or something, we usually see the dramas for entertainment. It gives us enjoyment. The performances give enjoyment. So that is why we watch it. So drama as an entertainment is very popular. I mean, it has been there for so long. We have seen the history of drama. And drama also develops an aesthetic appreciation in us. It, an appreciation of our culture, an appreciation of beauty, an appreciation of, the various literary aspects, etc. Now, if we look at these two aspects, we see that it is only the passive side of drama. That is the passive participation of the people. Now, for example, if I am watching a drama, then I am only watching. I am not involved in the drama. And if, I am saying that by watching the drama, my aesthetic senses are developed or I have an appreciation for the culture. This again is very passive. It is happening passively. There is no active participation of the observers. But if you look at the other two quadrants, there you see that, as your absorption and as your immersion, that, becomes more and more, that improves. Then your participation becomes more active. So more the active participation, we can say we are more immersed in the drama. So can we make that happen? Can everybody participate in a drama? Can everybody, have an immersed feeling or an absorption that is happening because of drama? Yes, we can look at that. So in that, here in the third quadrant, you see drama which can be used in the field of education. So there it is more of absorption, it is more of immersion, and it is a participative activity. And then you see the last quadrant, it shows escapist. Like any other entertainment, there is also an escape that happens, when you are getting entertained. You want to be away from the rest of the world. You want to immerse yourself into another world, in the world of drama, in the world of Shakespeare, or in the world of Burton and Russell, what these authors are saying. So there is also a kind of an imaginary world that you're creating and you're escaping into it. So this is an overall, you could say, an overall impact of drama. Now let us see how in the field of education, or in, when you are using drama as pedagogy. Now, when we are using drama as pedagogy, we use different aspects about the drama. It's not only about playing the drama or enacting the drama. It could also involve other aspects, the techniques like writing the script, or it could be, the dress, the kind of costumes that you're going to do, or the kind of screen preparations. And also the different types of dramas that you can incorporate into the pedagogy or into your learning situations or into your classroom. So another aspect about drama is also the one that is very frequently used in education situation is role playing. Now role playing is a model of learning. There are various steps to that. We will not go into the details of role playing, but role playing is much more immersive than a drama with audience, where the participants are, become the characters themselves. The difference between role playing and drama is that in drama, there is a script. So the characters are expected to by heart those dialogues and say those dialogues. Whereas in role playing, what happens is they are given a situation. For example, the situation of a student who has scored very well in exam, but he is unable to join the course that he wants to. So you have given the student that situation, and here the participant has to enact his or her feeling. This is to bring out the feelings of the student. That is role playing. Whereas if it was a drama, the entire dialogue script, even his costume, even the stage setting, everything would have been done. Both these things can be done in the class. We will come to that in the later when we are discussing it. So there are different techniques of drama that we use. So all the techniques we may not use. So it could be sometimes in the classroom you may be using only script writing, or it could be about making those costumes, it could be about making those masks. So various aspects about the drama, or it could be about the theme of the drama. First you have to even think of the storyline of the drama. These aspects could become a part of our pedagogy, or it could become a part of our teaching. So when you use drama in the classroom, the learning becomes interactive, more engaging, and more real to the student. Now, when you use drama, it can be in any subject. Generally, people think drama could be used only for languages. So only we think of Shakespearean plays and things like that. No, drama could be used to express so many scientific factors, or even mathematical, concepts. Even it can be used in any subject. So it helps the child to look at issues or look at a concept from different perspectives, and gives them a multisensory experience. So that experience, sort of enriches their learning experience. Now, drama also develops certain, you could say values, very important values like empathy. Now, when you teach in a class, you need to be kind to animals, you need to be kind to people, who are weaker than you. We can teach them. And that is a one-way teaching, where the teacher will stand at the helm and then she will teach. But when the child does a drama, in that kind of teaching, what happens is the child will develop sympathy for such situation. That is a detached feeling. But whereas when children enact dramas, or when they perform in such situations, when they are doing role play, or if they do a drama on such a situation, they develop a kind of empathy and understanding, which is very important in character development. So development of empathy happens when they are totally involved in immersive activities. Drama is such a kind of a immersive activity. Now, a drama allows the participants also to contribute to their classroom activities. Generally, in a traditional classroom, who is the contributor? It's the teacher. The teacher is the one who has the explanation. Teacher is the one who has the examples. Teacher is the one who is showing the pictures. But in a drama, when children are doing the drama, they are exploring the kind of dialogues they want to say. They are exploring the angle at which they want to say. So that performance, those techniques of performance give them a wider scope, and that makes the students more engaged in the class. Now, if you're using drama in a class, you cannot have the child sitting and daydreaming. But if you're giving a lecture, it's easy for the student to sit, look at you and daydream. But if the child is involved in the activity, the child cannot do this, the child will be participating. And it's also a very enjoyable activity. So it encourages students to contribute and engage in activities. Okay, through drama, again, students learn to express themselves. Now, communication is very important, development of that communication. How to express oneself clearly, precisely, effectively. How to put forward your ideas. So it is through drama that they can do it. Drama is one of the opportunities. There are different kind of methods for that, but drama is definitely an effective way of bringing out this communication skills. So how to communicate with others and be self-assured. Generally in communication, people are, when they are not very confident about themselves, or when they are not very self-assured, what happens is that they are not able to communicate clearly. Many a times they are misunderstood. Many of the messages, are hidden between the lines. These things happen because the communicator is not very self-assured. But drama develops that self-assurance and develops that clarity of communication. Now again, drama also develops a kind of, we feeling, inclusiveness. When you are doing drama, it is it's a group of students who are doing it. Now you must have done some activities, drama, dance, you must have done. Here you are dealing with human beings, you are dealing with the subject. Of course, the first thing is you are given the theme and other things, you are dealing with the subject. But also you are dealing with human beings. Here there is an active interaction between the pupil and the pupil. The guidance is given by the teacher, no doubt. The teacher acts as a guide. But most of the time, it is the pupils who are interacting with each other. So here the students, develop the skill to listen to others' ideas, others' opinions, and develop a kind of inclusiveness. It's not only just my idea, even others have ideas, and I need to listen to that. I need to incorporate that. So that inclusive feeling, which is a very important social skill that is needed for students, that is also developed through drama. Now drama actually provides a very supportive environment because of it's a group of the students, it's a group of students who are performing. So the group has a we feeling, the group wants to perform. So it is not, when you are doing a drama, you understand that even if you are very competent, your drama is not going to do well if the others are not able to do as good as you are. So you want to motivate the other people also in the group to be, good. You support them. So these kind of values, along with the content, these values also develop. Now these are all very important aspects of character building, value development, etc. in students. Now drama also develops a sense of community among students. Community feeling, again, as I said, we feeling among students, a group feeling. Community feeling is the basis for the development of any nation. That community feeling can only come if there is cooperation and if there is support from each other. So it develops a kind of community feeling, supporting the others, helping the others, understanding the need of the others. Sometimes students are unable to express these things in front of their teachers or even their parents. But generally they share their feelings with their peers. So here you have drama as an opportunity for children to share their feelings, to share what they think about, it may not even be the content, to share their ideas. It also sparks their imagination. So it develops the relation, how to build relationship. Now, it is not only for literacy skills, like I said, concept development, understanding the concept better, this drama helps in that. And not only in literature, literature of course gives a wider scope for drama because there are many dramas written over there, it gives storyline, etc. It also develops the, skills of reading, the skills of comprehension, and the skill of writing. You will say, how in drama skill of writing? Of course, you have to write a script. Before you enact the drama, it has to be on paper. It has to be written by people. There also, it is a group activity where students, they sit together, they discuss who are the characters, what are the characters, what is the kind of role these characters will have to play. So here, all kind of language skills are developed very effectively. So drama gives a lot of scope for language teachers, wherein you can use drama to develop their language skills and also language appreciation, especially poems. You can enact poems with the, the kind of facial expressions that is there, the kind of hand movements that is there. So a language teacher can use drama very effectively. In fact, it is very essential for a language teacher to use drama. Now, a language teacher can use drama both explicitly and that is expository technique. She can use it where the teacher herself as a dramatist presents certain things when she is reading a drama or when she is reciting a poem, where she gives the expressions to the feelings of that particular piece of literature. That is an expository technique where the teacher will be using it. But also as an activity method, the teacher can use it in the class. So both the methods, drama can be used. Now we said, okay, languages, we understand in languages, but what in maths? You take your 7th standard, 8th standard book, that lesson on Leelavati, it is actually related to maths. There are so many things that you can play, even on the concepts in maths can be enacted in drama. They can be explained with the help of drama. Science also provides a lot of scope for explaining, especially related to health and other things. There are there's so much of scope wherein you can use drama to make things clear for the students. Especially health and hygiene, this is one area where drama can be used very effectively. Almost all the subjects, I mean, it's not that all the subjects are related to life. Anything that is related to life can be expressed in the form of drama. Again, teaching of social sciences. This is where, one can use costumes because the period dramas. So you cannot have a full scale drama, but then pieces of that or some part of that, this can be used. Wherein, the life of kings, the life of perhaps the very important people in, in history, all this could be enacted. This brings out the history. Generally, children say history is such a boring subject. But try incorporating drama into that. Shivaji Maharaj's coronation. This can be done so beautifully in a class. It brings out the feel of that particular coronation ceremony, how the ceremony was done, the different people who came to it. So these, these activities would create a love for the subject and it also a deeper understanding of the subjects. Again, in general, okay, other than the subject, basically it is the public speaking skills. When you are using drama in your classroom, you are developing the communication skills of the child. So through this activity, their public speaking skill develops. How? Because the students are more self-assured. Once they become participants in the drama, they are able to face an audience, they are able to speak with clarity, their diction, enunciation, all these things will be developed while they are practicing for the drama. And this is in fact a part of public speaking. So public speaking is enhanced. That is a skill, that's a life skill you could say. That is very much essential even in the future for the child. So public speaking, communication skills, all this could be developed through the use of drama. So you can watch this YouTube, the link that I have given. So they explore the various ways in which as a teacher you will be using drama in your pedagogy. Thank you, students. Hope you enjoyed the lesson.